This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a Shopify app that converts e-commerce website to mobile app. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS mobile application. Get an opportunity to grab 15% off by being the first 200 signups. Get the link in the description. Hello, welcome to Educate E-commerce, your one-stop destination for Shopify tutorials and e-commerce solutions. So today in this video, I'll be talking about how you can create a backup of your Shopify store. So creating backup is an important step when you are making some changes, or if something goes wrong, you need to have a backup. So you can have it different ways. You can either be details of your customers backup, or the product backup, stock in stock backup, or if you mess up some code in between in the theme section, you can also create a backup. So these are the things where the backup is required, and we'll be taking you through those more and we'll be taking you through that more detail. So when you are editing a code, you will be able to see that there is an original version that's always there. So even if you make a change, there'll be a click. You can click onto the older version, and there will be different versions of the thing, and you can always save it. Click onto this and click on save, so that all the previous things will be restored. Also, you can just go back. You can keep a duplicate always on your store. So all you have to do is you have to go to your theme and click on to actions, and here you can just click on to the duplicate, and a new duplicate of your theme will be created, and it will be listed down here, and always you can just push it and publish it, so that you can reboot that theme that was previously used. If you have switched from one theme to a different theme, you can always do that. Or if you have done any major changes in the app or anything, you can always push this copy, so that it will be restocked or rebooted. So but this is only applicable for when it comes to a theme or a theme change, a code that you have added, something like that. So what if you deleted some products, and like you can't recover that, or if you create if you had some mismatch and you got all your customer details in the drain, you can how can you recover that? So for that, we're going to use an app. So let's go to the App Store here. You can also go to the link in the description and click on to that. I'm going to type rewind here. Okay. So here you will be able to see the rewind backups option. So I'm just going to click onto the rewind backup. So this is the app that we're going to use on our Shopify store. I'm going to add this app. So this is a very simple app where you just have to it will be synced on day-to-day basis or a timely basis. You just have to know the time or the date that you have just like deleted or you made a mistake, and you have to click on to backup. So this is the thing, and we're going to install this app in our Shopify store. So you will be taken into the Rewind backup dashboard, and the backup will be in progress. It will take some time to back up the whole store into the Rewind backup area. So this works with all other SaaS software as well. So here you will be able to see all the items that you have been that's been saved on your store in the all items. And also there is an advanced restore option where you can choose what are the items that you need to restore. So maybe all items, like including all of the themes, the products, blogs, customers, pages, everything. So you can restore those, or if you have any particular products that you want to restock, or any blogs that you have been accidentally deleted, you can recover that particularly. And also you can restore the date and time that you have just deleted the backup off. So you can just select the time to where you want your details to go back to. And that's all on this. So let's wait for the backup to complete, and I'll show you more on that. So the backup is done, and as you can see, this the backup happens only once a day. Let's say the next scheduled backup is on the 12th of tonight. So that's how it's going to come. So if you want to add a backup now option, you'll have to upgrade. So here you'll be able to see all of the items that are backed up, the products, the shipping details, the customer details, all those things are also there. So you can just click on to view version to view the like what's the current version and what's the selected version, all of those things. So you can see all those things here. You can just go here and click on to the restore this version. So this version will be restored for any particular product that you want to add. So now let's test this. So to products here. Here, let me view this product. And as you can see, this product is now live. And if you just go back, and I'm going to delete some of the products. Let's say I'm deleting all of these products. So let's see if this is restoring. So I'm going to remove this 50 products. And as you can see, this page won't be available after the deletion is happened. You will be able to see that the product is now not available. So we're going to restore this product. So this is just an example how this is going to see. So here you will just go to the advanced restore option, and you just select the products because we have deleted those products, and select the date and time of what we have at what time we have deleted, or the what time the backup has been done, and you can just click on to restore items. So all the products that have appeared on that particular time will be able to restore, and you can just click on to yes restore. Once the restore is done, you will be getting an email on your store, on your email address, and you will be notified that the restore is done and the backup will be available. So we'll just wait and see if we are able to preview the product or not. Once the restore is done, we are back on our page, and here you will be able to see that the product is now restored. And if you just go back and refresh the page, which was not found before, it's now back on action. So this is how you can restore your products, your customer details, orders, and all those things, even if it got deleted by accident. And also theme files are how you can restore your theme files by creating a backup and restoring it whenever you want. So this is a very simple, easy method, and this app is going to be of use high time. So I hope this video helped you, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.